troubled fathers of the son of sun and sand. Steady now, you're the loosest cannon. Not yet a man, but we're not children, we're not kids anymore.
I think if there was one thing that you would find with each member of the Resto House, it's that we all have the desire to apply the things that we've learned at Messiah College and to bring about the changes that we feel are necessary in our developing world. This is not a world that is short-sighted or selfish, but seeks to truly experience the rest of the world and truly enjoy our lives and experience sort of the presence of God in a holistic sense, recognizing that everything that we do, whether it be the clothes that we choose to wear, the food that we choose to eat, our methods of transportation, everything has an effect on our world and thus on our neighbors and the people that we are called to protect as followers of a loving God. And I guess the real beauty in that is that we're able to live out these changes that we want to see in very small and humble ways that each can go a long way to make a big difference, whether in regards to that individual as a person or as it relates to the entire student body at Messiah College. I think there's a real sense of joy and excitement at the house for the things that we've been able to accomplish and the ways in which we've been able to grow personally and interpersonally as a result of living in a community like the Restoration House. I know we're all very proud of the heritage of the Restoration House, and we're all excited to see how it continues to influence the culture at Messiah College in the years to come.
Be careful.
That's a lame plant. Hold this.
That one.
Just be cuddling with it.
I think we should hold that one. Because it's in the process of restoration.
Yes.
Relationship with nature. Don't make it look too Resto House Narcoleptics Anonymous.